We often talk about the latest beauty products, but none of us are up for a discussion about intimate hygiene. Precisely why we are here, so we can open this dialogue. मैं हूँ आपकी host नियति and I'm joined by my guest gynecologist Dr. Rishma Pai. Thank you so much, doctor, for being here. Today we are going to talk about how to maintain a happy, healthy, natural vaginal flora and the importance of an intimate wash. पर वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमेशा की तरह हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें and also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Welcome, doctor, to Be Beautiful. Before we begin, I would like you to introduce yourself to our audience.
Of course, my pleasure. I'm Dr. Rishma Pai. I'm a consulting gynecologist practicing in most of the major hospitals of Mumbai for almost 30 years now. I do pregnancy, deliveries, gynecology, and a lot of IVF infertility work as well.
Why do women need to invest in a separate intimate hygiene wash? Is it safe? Can I use it on a daily basis? And why is soap not recommended?
The vagina has a very specific pH, 3.5 to 4.5. उससे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो there is a lot of sort of increased incidence of infections. आप soap use करते हैं तो soap का pH 9-10 होता है तो उसमें बहुत dryness होती है, irritation हो सकती है. And you know many of these soaps contain paraben. Paraben is जो preservative जो cosmetics में वगैरह use करते हैं और उससे actually endocrine या hormone changes भी हो सकती हैं. And it also has SLES which is basically like foam. You know अच्छा foam होता है तो लगता है कि soap अच्छा foaming हो रहा है, but it is actually an irritant. अगर आपकी आंखों में shampoo जाएगा you will get burning, right? It's a similar thing. So in that very delicate area of the vulva and the vagina, if you use these irritant substances, it will cause a lot of problem to the lady. तो हमें कुछ एक mild, gentle agent जिसमें ये सब चीज़ें नहीं हैं, जिसका pH matching है vagina से, which will protect you from outside infections, that is what we need. And that's why you need to choose very carefully sort of a well balanced sort of a intimate hygiene product. And your gynecologist can suggest you one, I think, the best.
Of course. With that, we've come to an end of the Be Beautiful Presents Feminine Hygiene discussion. I hope we shed some light on why you need to invest in the right kind of intimate wash and how it's going to help you maintain a healthy, happy vagina. Thank you so much, doctor. That conversation was super insightful. And if you guys have any questions related to feminine hygiene, then write to us in the comment section below. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल Be Beautiful को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. And while you're at it, ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated every time we post a new video.